Every gearbox reaches a point where repair is no longer the best option. Maybe it's becoming unreliable, maybe replacement parts are difficult to find, or perhaps you're looking for a more efficient solution that better supports your operation. Before you begin searching for a replacement gearbox, there are a few critical details you'll want to gather. Having this information ready can save time, reduce costly mistakes, and help ensure you select the right solution for your application. Start by identifying the type of gearbox you're replacing. Is it an inline gearbox, a right-angle gearbox, a parallel shaft design, or something else? You should also determine the gearing technology being used, such as helical, bevel, worm gear, or planetary. Understanding the existing design provides an important starting point when evaluating replacement options. Next, gather the basic operating specifications. This includes input speed, output torque, gear ratio, and lubrication requirements. If some of this information isn't available, don't worry. Even partial information can help narrow down the right solution. The gearbox is only one part of the system. To choose the right replacement, it's important to understand how the equipment operates every day. Ask yourself, does the application run continuously? Is it operating 24 hours a day? How often does it start and stop? Does it reverse direction? And what is the duty cycle? These factors have a major impact on gearbox sizing and long-term reliability. Where the gearbox operates is just as important as how it operates. Consider the environment. Is the application indoors or outdoors? Does it require food-grade materials? And will it be exposed to washdown procedures, moisture, chemicals, dust, or extreme temperatures? Environmental conditions can significantly influence the gearbox design, materials, coatings, and lubrication requirements. Now think beyond the specifications. Consider the real-world challenges your equipment faces. Does the application experience shock loads? How is the gearbox mounted? What orientation is required? Are there special coating requirements or stainless steel construction needs? And, most importantly, what problems are you trying to solve? A gearbox replacement isn't just about matching what you already have. It's an opportunity to improve performance. Before speaking with a supplier, identify what success looks like. Longer service life, reduced maintenance, improved efficiency, higher torque capacity, better reliability. The clearer your goals, the easier it becomes to identify the right solution. Replacing a gearbox doesn't have to be complicated. By gathering key application information before the selection process begins, you'll be better prepared to make an informed decision and achieve the performance your operation requires. At Sumitomo Drive Technologies, our engineers and application specialists work with customers every day to evaluate existing equipment and identify replacement solutions. If you're preparing for a gearbox replacement, we're ready to help you take the next step.